Hi guys, welcome to Hands On Unlimited. Today I will be unboxing my Creme de la Mer, the hand treatment. This is the 3.4 fluid ounce, $105 bottle. If you're wondering if that hefty price tag is worth it, well, I'm here to tell you that it is. I've been buying Creme de la Mer for years now, and if there's ever one product I've repurchased, it's this. I've never ever experienced a lotion or cream that has made my hands feel as soft as this hand treatment and visibly smoother over time with continuous use.